In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted projects in Asana. Whether you accidentally deleted a project or need to retrieve one for reference or restoration, this guide will take you through the easy steps to get it back. So let's dive in and recover those deleted projects. First, you're going to start by locating the search bar at the top of your Asana interface. It's typically easy to spot if you're familiar with the layout because it's prominently placed at the top. Once you find it, take a moment to click on the search bar, as this is where our journey to recovery begins. Now you'll notice an icon that looks like 3 descending lines on the right side of the search bar. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will expand your options, leading you into what Asana calls the Show Advanced Search view. In this advanced search area, you'll have the opportunity to refine what you're looking for, and this is where we'll make the magic happen. The first thing you're going to do is change the search criterion to focus on project, rather than tasks, milestones, or other types of entries. This is crucial because we're specifically interested in projects that were previously deleted. Now that you've set the type to project, the next step involves adjusting the status field. Here, you're looking to pinpoint the projects that have been marked as deleted. Change the status by selecting Deleted from the drop-down menu. With this status in place, what you're setting up is a search for any projects that fit this particular category. Once you've made those adjustments, go ahead and click on the Search button to bring up the results. This is where things start to come together. The search result will display a list of your deleted projects. It's essentially like going back in time to see everything that's been removed but still resides within the system's records. We'll move on to the next part, which is incredibly simple. With your list of deleted projects in front of you, all you need to do is click on the project that you wish to recover. Clicking on it will open up more details about this deleted project. Right within this view, you'll find the option labeled Restore Project. By clicking this option, the project will be instantly restored to its original state, bringing back all the content and details you need. And just like that, you've successfully recovered a deleted project in Asana. By following these steps, you can deal with accidental deletions or bring back projects for reference whenever necessary. That's all for today's guide, and I hope you found it straightforward and helpful. Thanks for joining, and happy organizing with Asana.